All right, everyone. Just want to continue on with our exponents. This that you're looking at, this is my computer screen. These are the notes from the last assignment. So I just want to quickly review what we covered. And those of you who did not turn in that assignment, I need that, of course. But last time we just learned or reviewed, for instance, 4 to the 6th power means 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 times 4, 6 times. So section 1, you had to expand the expressions. And that was it. If you see 7 to the 3rd power, make sure you have 3 sevens, etc. The middle section, we went in reverse. Okay? It's already expanded. We had to write it in exponential form. Okay, so here, 5 times 5, well, there's another one, or 3 5s. 5 to the 3rd power, there's your 9 to the 2nd power. Then the third section on that assignment was actually multiply them out and get an answer, as I did here. Okay, so again, that was a review of the last assignment, those notes. Now, we're going to continue to build what we know about exponents. Okay, 2 things we're going to do on this assignment. We're going to learn how to multiply 2 terms with the same base. Okay, now in the last assignment, we just wrote 3 times 3 times 3, etc., and we stopped. Well, here I'm going to show you something a little different. So, you see 3 to the 3rd. 3 times 3 times 3. And there is 3 to the 4th. Well, I need 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. So there's 3 to the 3rd. There's 3 to the 4th. But if you count them, you're going to see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 to the 7th power. Notice we added those exponents. And I know some of you might be thinking right now, well, why do all this stuff? Just add them. Take the shortcut. Well, on this assignment, I don't want you to, okay? Because we're going to keep adding on to this, and it's better you just understand, okay? So same here. 5 to the 2nd power, we also call that 5 squared. Got that one? Now that's just a 5. And by the way, you're allowed to put an exponent of 1 on there if you want. It's always there. If you don't see it, you're allowed to write it. 5 to the 4th power, 1, 2, 3, 4. Count them up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 7 is what you get when you add those exponents. Okay, so I know this might seem a little strange because we're multiplying, right? Why am I adding? And I get asked that every year. Okay, to multiply the same base, you add the exponents. So you do addition to do multiplication, as weird as that may sound. Okay, so there are 2 more. We just have variables now. R to the 2nd power, or R squared, R to the 7th. So I need 7 more here. Let's see if I counted right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more. Okay, there's my R to the 7th. There's my R to the 2nd, R to the 9th. So on the assignment, you'll have to write it out. There aren't a lot of them, but for now, okay? T, again, you can put that 1 there. T times T to the 4th. You don't have to have the dots in between variables, okay? You can. You have to have them in between numbers. Times T to the 3rd. So it doesn't matter down here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And let me just go back up here for a second before I show you the other rule. Yes, there are 2 things happening, okay? This video is going to be a little bit long, but hang in there. Frequently, on a quiz, I will see a mistake on this. People will have 9 to the 7th power. I see that every year. They'll say, yeah, it says 3 times 3. Why isn't that 9 to the 7th? And then I write this out and show them, and they go, oh. Okay, so that's what I mean. It's important you understand why we're doing that, okay? So to sum this up, to multiply the same base, add exponents. Okay, so that's the sum right there. Okay, now we're going to go down here and we're going to divide the same base. Okay, and the fractions just really mean division. Okay, same way, 8 to the 4th. 8 to the 4th, oh, you'll like this. 8, just good old 8, to the 1st power if you want. Just cancel, and look what's left. 8 to the 3rd, right? It's right here. 8 to the 3rd power. That's my answer. What do you think I did with those exponents? And hopefully you're thinking subtract. Okay? Now this one's a little different. and this is going to lead us into another rule. I made these look like the homework problems, by the way. Well, they're both 6 to the third power. When you cross them out, you go, wait, it's gone, that's 0. Well, it's actually 6 to the 0 power, but the answer is 1. Think about it. Something divided by itself is 1. In fact, when these cancel, they're actually canceling out the 1s. Now, we don't normally write those. It gets pretty crowded. But you'll see one like that on the homework. Okay, 11 to the 6th, 3, 4, 5, 6, 11. I didn't mean to do that. 11 to the 2nd, cancel, cancel. And there's 11 to the 4th power. As you can see, 6 minus 2. So to divide the same base, yep, you guessed it, subtract exponents. Okay? Feel free to write these notes when I do this, everyone, when I make these videos. Okay? As I said, it might be helpful to you. Okay? And I think you have an idea what I'm going to do here, right? M to the 6th. Since they're variables, again, I don't need the little multiplication dots. M to the 2nd reminds me of the problem right above it. One of them's numbers, one of them's variables. They behave the same way. Okay, and finally, y to the 3rd, y to the 2nd, cancel, cancel, and look what's left. Y. You can put a little 1 there, the first power, if you want. That doesn't matter. Okay, so that's basically what we have to do on our assignment. And the assignment looks like this. I did it the same way. I set it up the same way. Roman numeral 1. You will be multiplying exponents. And up here in this box, it even reviews it for you. Okay? But you have to fill in these lines to get credit. You should have some 2's written out there, then the answer. Don't shortcut and just write the answer. You will not get any credit for this. Okay? None. I'll give you the chance to redo it, but you will not get any points. Okay, same down here with the fractions. Write them out. You know, 5y's up here, 4y's down here. Show me you canceled, and put your answer there. If you fill all this in, you will get full credit. As always, if you have any questions, please let me know. All right, and then we will continue on with exponents. It's going to get bigger, everyone. There's a lot to know here. So do your best, and talk to you later.